Today I need to replace my two front tires, but before that I need to confess, and it's a little embarrassing, yes, I have cobwebs on my RV. We had a very wet winter here in San Diego, and ended up with a bumper crop of those little web weavers. I have spiders living in my side view mirrors, in the bumpers, even in my car. I guess they don't hurt anything, but rather they didn't set up inside my vehicles. I'm not afraid of a little spider, but if my wife sees one, yeah, she's gonna hear about it. It seems that when I got this RV, the front end alignment was a little bit off, but I really didn't notice it until after we got back from Alaska. Of course, by that time, the outside edges of the tires were kind of wearing down much faster than the rest of the tire. So anyway, I took it in, got it aligned. That was at about 17,000 miles, and now I got almost 40,000 miles, and the whole tire is wearing down enough so that, yeah, I'm gonna have to replace them. Yeah. You can see these front tires getting a little worn right here on the side. Rear tires are fine, and I got quite a few miles left on those, so I'll just get the two on the front. I have a long cross-country trip to New England coming up. It's going to be later in the year when there's a chance of snow and of course some rain, so I think I'll put the new tires on right now. So how do you determine what kind of tire you want to get? Well, the Winnebago Views come with Continentals, but a lot of people put the Michelin tires on when they change them. So yeah, I've heard that the new Michelin tires, the Agilis ones, cross-country or something like that, they seem to be quieter, they ride better, the handling is better. So dang, sounds pretty good. So I'm not sure if these are the best tires for the RV, but they're probably a good one. I have Michelins on my car, so I'm gonna go with those. Of course, a lot of this stuff that people say is pretty subjective, so the only thing I can really do is check the noise level on the tires before and after. So I do have a sound meter, and I will check those on the way to get them changed. As far as the ride and handling goes, that's pretty subjective, so I don't really have a way to document it, but I'll give you my opinion after I try them out. There's a new discount tire opened up a few miles from my house, so I'm going to try them out. So if you want to come along, let's get going. To balance the tires now. Tires, and we're ready to roll. Okay, and on the freeway, we go 65 miles an hour. No shimmy, tires are running pretty well. Home again. Okay, back again. I run the numbers, and by the noise meter, checking on the asphalt and the concrete road surfaces, The new Michelins were actually average 1.7 dBs quieter than the old Continentals. That doesn't necessarily mean that the Michelins are quieter than Continentals, because a lot of times your tires will get a little bit noisier as they age. But anyway, they seem to be fine. Couldn't tell too much difference in the ride characteristics. You know, they were good, though I do expect that the wet and snow performance will be much better with the newer tires. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the Michelins. Expect them to last for a long time. As a matter of fact, my wife's car, the Malibu, 9-year-old Michelins, and they're still looking good. No cracks in the sidewalls, so they should last me for quite a while. What's this, another spider? Yeah, got new tires and the webs are back already.